Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can favorite items in the dressing rooms on Dress to Impress. So press E, and as you can see, you can now favorite items because there's just a lot of items now in the dressing rooms. So it's a little bit harder to go through them, especially if you're playing in the regular mode. So for instance, I really like this top. I'm just going to favorite them. So whenever I open up the middle area, like this part, it's going to always be at the top because I did favorite it, and obviously the ones I did not favorite will be at the bottom. So yeah, that is how you can favorite items in the dressing rooms on Dress to Impress. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.